Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fade out a video on Canva. So at the timeline over here at the bottom, click to create a new page over here and then make it black. So over here change the background color and then choose black. Now what you need to do is go to select your main video, then right click and click add transition and then choose dissolve, like so. Now over here you can, for instance, make the clip, the black background shorter in order to not make it too long. And also if you click once again on the video over here where you have your animations, here you can select the duration of the transition. So of course it all depends on the length of the black screen over here. And if I make it, let's say even 5 seconds, and I click back to the main video, then over here I can change the duration up to 2.5 seconds. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.